Hello friends, this is Casey with Casey's Keto Life. One of my favorite and most easy peasy dinners to make is turkey avocado burgers. Now of course, if you have family members that just absolutely hate the idea of avocado, you could skip the avocado. That's perfectly fine. So we're gonna start with 1 pound of organic turkey that's ground and defrosted. I'm gonna put it in one of these red bowls that I just love from Amazon. Then I'm going to add, to kind of make it into a hamburger, I'm gonna add 1/4 a cup of, so I just put that right in there. You may order this almond flour, there's a link below for Amazon. Then I'm going to add 1/2 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. I do recommend grating your own. It's much more economical and much less preservatives and chemicals. So I'm just gonna add that in there, and that's gonna be the binding to hold these hamburgers together with the avocado. Now, you could just add the ingredients and turn them also into meatballs, another option. So I definitely recommend a metal cheese grater for grating cheese, then just put it in a large storage bag, keep it in the refrigerator. You save a lot of money, and also it doesn't have as many chemicals. So I'm now going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, just to kind of give it a little bit of that nice smoky Mexican taste, which I just so love. And also cumin, being one of the yellow spices, has the health benefits of being cancer preventative. I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. So I love the Sherpa Pink Himalayan salt because it does not have any plastics in it and it's pure salt. So we have all of our little ingredients in there. So we're gonna go ahead and take a very sharp knife, not very sharp knife, like a steak knife, and I'm just going to cut the avocado. Just going to slice the avocado. It does need to be a ripened avocado. So I've sliced it, and then I'm just gonna pull apart the slice. Do not do this ahead. Avocado's brown and a New York second, so you want to do this right as you're making the hamburgers. So I'm going to take a spoon and scoop the avocado out. Is the easiest way to do this. Scoop it out and then put it in the bowl. Just get it all along the edges of the avocado. So I have the big seed there, so I'm just going to take my spoon and go around the seed and pull the seed out. And I'm going to go around and just scoop out the avocado, because that is just like God's gift to us for good health, heart health, a healthy brain. Try to eat at least 3 to 4 avocados a week. I know sometimes it's difficult with the way they ripen and such. So just gonna put all of that in there. Make sure, of course, that you wash your hands, because we're gonna take our hands, which I have washed mine, and I'm just gonna put them into the bowl, and we're just gonna kind of mash that up. Make sure you mash up the avocado and all the ingredients and such with your hands. It's really the only way that you can do it. And so when all the ingredients are mixed up and the avocado has been kind of spread evenly throughout the mixture, so I have a little avocado that's not spread evenly, this should make about 4 nice sized burgers. Keto Cat didn't want to join us, but I'm gonna go ahead and take about 1/4 of the hamburger mixture. The first thing to do whenever you're going to make a hamburger of any sort of material, this is turkey, you could use chicken, you could use ground lamb, ground bison, my favorite, venison. I love venison because it's completely organic, or of course grass-fed beef. So any meat would be perfectly fine. You're going to make it into a meatball first. So it kind of goes into the meatball. My hands are going really, 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 really fast in the meatball shape. So then it's going to look like that. A nice little meatball. If for some odd reason it's just not sticking together, which it should, because these ingredients, it should be just fine, just add a little bit more cheese, a little bit more grated cheese, or shredded cheese, and then I'm just gonna take my hand and just kind of pat the hamburger so that it stays in shape. So it should look just like that. Alrighty, so I should have 4 to 5. I'm gonna try to make, it's really important that they all are about the same size, because if they're not the same size, they're not going to cook evenly. So we will meet in a minute, and we'll be sauteing them up, and then I'm going to serve them with some sriracha mayo and some. Alrighty, so we are now sauteing up the turkey avocado burgers. Couple things to note. First off, do not put these puppies on the grill, because with that cheese, it's just gonna be a hot mess. Don't do it. Next thing to note, I used olive oil. That is fine. Ghee, even butter is fine, because on keto, we can eat as much fat as we want, not a problem. Use a low heat, low to medium. And just obviously with any sort of cooking, it's about 3 to 4 minutes per each side. Just kind of keep a careful eye on them to make sure that they don't burn. And then I'm going to pull them out and put them on a plate that has paper towels to kind of get that excess grease in the paper towels. Hey friends, I'm back. Keto Cat decided to join us, so he's here and he likes to get a little bit of loving at the end of the day in his little basket. Yes, he loves that. He loves his little ear scrub so much. So anyhow, he's in his little basket, but I just wanted to show, give him more love. So I just wanted to show you what everything looks like at the end. And just a couple of quick side notes. I raised 3 boys. They were 5 years apart. I was very, very busy, and they're all incredible athletes and incredible personal chefs themselves right now. But I used to take these little turkey avocado burgers, and after you just kind of drain the grease and let them chill a little bit, and just put them in a large storage bag in the fridge. And that way, if they got home late from wrestling practice or such, they always had a little protein snack, and they absolutely love them. So this is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and push him out of the way. And I've got the turkey avocado burger right there for you. I went ahead, I was kind of in the mood for like a little mustard tonight, a little spicy. Keto Cat, no, it's not yours. A little honey mustard, and it only had like 0 grams of carbs, so it was perfect. And so on the side, I did some spinach, some fresh spinach. And so I sliced up this little tomato, and I put some little goat cheese crumples on top. And then I'll just top with a little olive oil and some little Himalayan salt. So this is just a perfect, wonderful light meal, less than 300 calories, 20 grams of protein, and just so incredibly healthy for you.